guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 2 indicators you need for swing trading. You don't need thousands or hundreds of them. All you need is 2 that you fully understand. And we're going to be talking about the top 2 that I use and that I would highly recommend using. So guys, I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask them down below in the comments, as well as if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market, and we do have a brand new course where you guys can learn how to trade. We talk about how I find stocks, my strategies, my mindset, pretty much how I've gone 6 years trading full time. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. I highly recommend it. Check it out down below. But I'll see you in there. Guys, let's dive in and look at the top 2 indicators that I use for swing trading. Let's turn to the computer. Let's go. All right, so the broker that I use for all my scanning, charting, and indicators is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic, and I would highly recommend them. I'll put them down below if you guys want to sign up with them. I do recommend them. So starting out with swing trading, what indicators do I use? Well, I keep things very, very simple. In my opinion, I think it's a lot easier to look at a chart that isn't covered with indicators. The reason why is because, in my opinion, I don't want to get overwhelmed. I want to have full confidence. I want to understand what's going on. So the first indicators that I use, or the first indicator, is something called a moving average line. Now, moving average lines, the reason why I love them and they're awesome is because they're trend indicators. So you can look at this chart here and see that we have that upward trend just by looking at these moving average lines. On top of that, what we have a tendency to see is these moving average lines act as support and act as resistance. Now, what I mean by that is when the stock is above the moving average lines, like it is up here, we'll see tendencies of them using as support. So you guys will see that it comes in contact and we get some buying pressure at these moving average lines, right? And we have the red one and the blue one. The blue one here is the 90-day moving average line, and the red one is the 200-day moving average line. The higher up you go, the stronger the support and stronger the resistance will be. So you guys will see that, yes, this blue line, so that 90-day moving average line, it does use it as pretty hard support, right? It hits it once, even twice here, and recently we did get some buying pressure on it there, and it did fall down there a little bit. But compared to the 200-day moving average line, which is a lot harder support. So you guys will see it hits it once and we got that great buying pressure. So for me, when I swing trade, I love to find stocks on moving average lines because it's another indicator where we could see potential reversals. So that's why I absolutely love the 90 and the 200-day moving average line. The second indicator that I love is something called the RSI line. The RSI line is also known as the relative strength index. In simple terms, it determines if a stock is overvalued or undervalued. So this is it down here. And you guys will see that recently we had some sell-off all the way down to about a 30 or about a 25 on the RSI. So let's go ahead and let's go look at the last time it was trading for a 25. So you guys will see it almost hit it here, and we did get that great move there. And as we continue to go through, the last time it hit it was all the way back in these levels where this stock was pretty undervalued. And then what soon happened? It hit that moving average line. Also, it was very undervalued on the RSI, and we had that great reversal. So these 2 indicators, as you go and you look at certain stocks, you will slowly start to understand, okay, the RSI may be a little overvalued, so I'll hold off on trying to buy it. You know, you guys will even see right in here it hit that same move, and we got that great move right there. So using these 2 moving average lines are very good indicators for getting just the overall reversals planned out, right? So for me, these are the only 2 that I use. I love finding stocks on these support lines, and the thing is we could even pull up another one here, another more recent swing trade, ticker symbol YPF. You guys will see that it came in contact with that 90-day moving average line. We hopped in on this trade. Great move, very undervalued on that RSI line, so we took a trade. Using these 2 indicators are very strong indicators for reversals and my swing trades. If you guys want to learn how to find stocks on these support lines, go ahead and check out my course where we have scanners and all that good stuff. So guys, these are the only 2 indicators you need for swing trading. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And like, subscribe, don't forget to check out my course, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.